right, he's right. On the way. Hey, just a single. Derby on the single. Traffic lights are here, Tim. Okay, Roger. Let's send him up. Yeah, what is it, 2 utes, is it? I got the 1 ute so far. Are they joint traffic lights? Has he got both of them? Oh yeah, they are actually, yeah, he's got both. Gets too easy, send him up to Mitch, I'm walking there now.
Beautiful. Right now guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna stay here a while because it's a very slow loading process. So you can see on the mirror they're digging a trench. There's not much they can do with that small attachment on the excavator. So hope you enjoy. Another beautiful day in Down Under.
Yeah, mate, you're clear.
Driving big trucks. So far, heavy rigid license. The goal is always to get the multi-combination license after 1 year from the heavy rigid license. From the moment I got the heavy rigid license, so after 1 year I'm cleared to proceed with a multi-combination license in order to drive the meanest and biggest trucks in the world, the famous road trains with the 200 tons, 4, 5, 6 trailers. Amazing. Right on guys, hope you enjoy another beautiful day, and from Down Under Truckee, like and subscribe please. Take it easy.